Xiaomi SU7 Ultra has just undergone a series of brutal extreme tests conducted by China Automotive Engineering Research Institute. From scraping against a 350mm deep pit to flying over ramps and smashing into steel diamond barriers, this car's battery took hit after hit. It then faced a 450mm deep water wading test right after scraping the bottom, followed by a high-speed 70 km/h crash simulation. And if that wasn't enough, it endured 5 rounds of extreme fast charging and discharging stress tests. The result? The battery system remained fully functional. With its groundbreaking structural design, the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra redefines safety, ensuring top-tier protection for its battery in even the harshest conditions.